This is the Cudy WU1400 wireless USB adapter. I am installing it on my PC. After installing the adapter, it is not working on Windows 10. If the adapter is not working on Windows 10, then let's see how to solve this problem. Unplug the adapter from here. Plug the adapter into a 3.0 USB port on the PC. Now check if the adapter is working or not. If the adapter is not working even after changing the USB port, go to second step. Right-click on Start menu. Click on Device Manager. Click on Network Adapter. Check your adapter device. If your Wi-Fi adapter is disabled from here, enable it again. Sometimes the adapter doesn't work because the adapter is disabled from here. Now check if the adapter is working. If the adapter still doesn't work, update your adapter. Before updating, you must connect your PC to the internet connection. If your phone has an internet connection, connect the internet from your phone to the PC via a USB cable. Now go to Settings. Turn on USB tethering from your phone. After turning on, go to your PC. Click Yes to connect your PC to the phone's internet. Now PC is connected to internet. Go to an internet browser. Search for cudy.com/wu. Find your driver model here. Select your driver version. Now download the driver for your Windows version from here. The driver is downloading now. Once it is downloaded, click on it. Extract the file. Now install the updated driver on your PC. Now the driver is installed on the PC. Now disconnect your phone from the PC. After disconnecting the internet connection from the phone, check if the driver is working. The Wi-Fi adapter is now working, so Wi-Fi is showing on the PC. Now you can connect your PC to the Wi-Fi. When Cudy WU1400 Wi-Fi adapter not working in Windows 10, this is how you can fix it.